Hello everyone! Today we will learn one of the most important grammars in Korean. Noun plus 이,가. 이,가 is a subject marker and it goes after a noun. Subject marker wants to tell us that the noun comes before me is a subject. In fact, this grammar is focusing on the subject of the sentence and indicates the subject corresponding to who or what in the sentence. So, let's learn how to use it. If our noun has 받침, we use 이. For example, 선생님이 일본에 가요. Teacher is going to Japan. 선생님 is the subject and it has 받침. So, we added 이. If our noun has no 받침, we use 가. For example, 바지가 더러워요. My pants are dirty. 바지 is the subject and it has no 받침. So, we added 가. Let's see more examples. 시험이 어려워요. The exam is difficult. What is the subject of this sentence? Yeah, it's 시험. 시험 means exam. It has 받침. So, we added 이. And 시험 corresponds to what? Actually, this sentence can be the answer to the question, what is difficult? In fact, we are asking about the subject, not the topic of sentence or something else. 사라 씨가 영화를 봐요. Miss Sarah is watching a movie. 사라 씨 is the subject and it has no 받침. So we added 가. This sentence can be the answer to the question, who is watching movie? Tip. Here are some words that change when 이 or 가 is added to them. 저 means I in polite form. 저 plus 가 is 제가. 제가. 나. 나 also means I but in casual form. 나 plus 가 is 내가. 내가. 너. 너 means you. 너 plus 가 is 네가. 네가. We write it as 내가, but pronounce it as 네가. 누구. 누구 means who. 누구 plus 가 is 누가. 누가. Okay guys, this was today's lesson. Bye!